Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I thought I would unbox today I just got a Ninja Foodi. It is a pressure cooker that also crisps. It's part air fryer and part pressure cooker. And this one says on the box, so excuse my lighting, there's a lot of shadows here. Ninja Foodi, the pressure cooker that crisps, and it includes a 1700 watt Foodi with attaching crisping lid, with attached crisp lid, excuse me. An extra large family sized cooking pot. This one's an 8-quart. And then, what else? It's got a ceramic nonstick coating, a cook and crisp basket, 5 quarts, and it optimizes airflow to fit a 7-pound chicken, which is what I have today, and a pressure lid to quickly tenderize and cook ingredients, and a deluxe reversible rack for steaming, broiling, and additional servings of layered ingredients, and also includes a recipe book. Right, Ryan? What do you think?
Yeah.
So we're gonna open this up and see what's doing in here. Okay, I'm back. I had to flip it because the writing inside was different. I purchased this off of QVC. They had it for today's special value, and it was $1.99 and change. And inside it says, Ninja Foodi, the pressure cooker that crisps. First time pressure cooking? Try this water test to practice with pressure. So it looks like I'll be doing a water test today. I'm gonna add 3 cups of water to the cooking pot. Lock the lid, turn the valve to seal, push pressure, and select high. Set the time to 2 minutes and press start stop. And then it says moving lights and some steam releasing indicates the pressure is building. When pressurized, countdown will begin. And number 6, when your Foodi beeps, turn valve to vent for the quick release. Now I have an Instant Pot and I have an air fryer that I absolutely adore. I use it all the time. So I'm hoping this will help replace. I have a large family and sometimes my air fryer is a little too small for a family of 5. So I feel like this one might be a little bit better. And ignore all my junk. Look, I've got crafting junk in the dining room. Oh, the horror. I have stuff like all over the place. So anyway, accessorize and expand your culinary capabilities. It has a cooking pot. And it says keep an extra pot on deck so you can keep the Foodi fun going when your other pot is already full of delicious food. A cook and crisp layered insert. I guess it's saying these are things I can buy. These didn't come with it. A crisper pan, a loaf pan, multi-purpose pan, and a roasting rack insert. And let's see what's inside here. Let's open it up. Watch out, Ryan.
What color?
I was going to put you on the stand, but I think it might be better if I do it like this. We'll see. We'll see. When you open it up, this is what you have. Oops.
Ding.
Oh, there's Ryan there.
Looks
like it has a rack. Comes with a rack. And then instructions that say get to know your Foodi. And then here's what you should have in the box. It tells you everything. Let me go across here so you can see. Why are there 2 lids? It says, I'm glad you asked. One is a pressure lid. The other is a crisping lid. So you will have 2 lids in there. And I really liked the demonstration of this product. I thought it was very exciting. So I'm going to get this set up and do the water test. And I'm wondering if I should walk you guys through the water test so you can see what it's like. There's the Deluxe Tender Crisp Pressure Cooker. It's got an owner's guide in here. You want to hold this camera for me, buddy? Yeah. Can you do that? Oops, wrong way. Hold it from the front because I want to open this. You got it? Can you hold it? All right, we got a 5-year-old man in the camera here, guys. He's doing a great job. Right, Ryan? Okay, hold on. Whoa, let's get you in focus here. We don't want to make him seasick. I got it now, buddy. Let go. Let go. I got it. So, we've got instructions. We've got a Ninja Foodi pressure cooker that crisps. 45 plus mouth-watering recipes and charts for unlimited possibilities. What do you think of this, Ryan? I know you like food. What do you think? Yeah. Homemade vanilla yogurt. It has a yogurt setting, just like the Instant Pot does. And then meet our most versatile Ninja Foodi accessory, the Deluxe reversible rack. See how it transforms into 3 multi-functioning racks. I liked this because on this rack, here, let me put you up here. Like one rack you could do your salmon or your chicken, and then the other rack you could do your veggies, and then in the bottom of the pot here you can do your rice or potatoes, and then you have your 3-piece meal. And just serve rolls or something on the side and you're good to go. And then these are the extra accessories that you can buy. And look, they have cookbooks too. But I'm gonna get the pot out and I'll show you what's next. I moved the styrofoam, and this was what was underneath. Here's one of the lids here, it looks like. Looks like there's another rack. This is part of the 2-tier rack. And then the pot, which is a fairly decent size. I mean, it's 8 quarts, so yeah, this is one of the racks. And then this looks like it might be the crisping lid, maybe. I don't know if you guys can see. And then the humongo pot. And I don't know if there's stuff inside there too, but let's get to unwrapping and doing some water testing. All right, I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys. It does say it's taped down, and the valve is taped down, and it says, valve is designed to be loose fitting for proper operation. When pressure cooking, rotate this to seal position to prevent steam from escaping. This is what the pot looks like. Hi, you can see my reflection. I did choose the black, and there I am. Hi. It looks really nice, and these are some of the settings here. We've got like the temperature setting, the time, and I don't know. One looks like steam and release. Pressure, steam, slow cook yogurt, sear saute, and the tender crisp features. We've got air crisp, bake roast, broil, dehydrate, keep warm, start, stop, and then the power button. And when you open it up, this is that's the air fryer crisper lid. And then we've got the air fryer basket. Oops. So it does have 2 handles to grab it, which is great. And looks like that'll be easy to clean. And then here's the non-stick pot. It does feel nice with a nice ceramic coating. And let's just lift that up and make sure there's nothing else in there. That's the heating element down there. Looks good. All right, I'm gonna wash these in some hot soapy water, and then I'll come back and let you see the water test. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, I washed the inside pot, put it back in, and I'm gonna do the water test. So I have 3 cups of water here. So I'm gonna pour it in, and then put the lid on. Let me see if I can figure this out because I'm clueless. I don't know what I'm doing here. It looks like it locks in. Hold on. There we go. All right, so this, to make it easier for you guys to see. Whoop. See that little lock part? That part goes right on the line, and then twist. And then we need to put this. Your choices are vent or seal. We want it on seal. So let's turn it that way. And then let's see what else these directions say, because I haven't done this before.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Push pressure. First of all, I got to turn it on. Turning it on would help. And then push pressure. Pressure's on, right here. Select high and set time to 2 minutes. Oh, it says high. Bingo. I hit it, it says high.
Bingo.
I hit pressure again and it came up to high. So then set time to 2 minutes. So let's go to the time over here. Oops, what are we at? Oh, we're at 11. We want to go back. It's like I'm looking through the eyes of the camera, so it's hard. All right, we're at 2 minutes. Then press start stop. Where's start stop at? There it is down here. Start stop. All right. Only thing I don't like is this lid is huge for my Hobbit house. I call this a Hobbit house. Everything's built short in this house. And oh, I still have like styrofoam here. All right, we'll come back, see how this water test goes. It's thinking right now. It's gonna seal, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, the 2 minutes is up and it's counting up. In other words, it's letting me know. It did beep done and it's letting me know it's been 53 seconds, 54 seconds since it's been done. So I'm going to hit the where is it here? The seal. I'm going to move to vent. And it's going to bring all that steam out. And then I'm pretty much ready to cook. It passed the water test. So we're in good shape. Yay, the Ninja Foodi passed the water test. After that, I made a delicious chicken in the Ninja Foodi. I am now obsessed with this product. The chicken turned out moist and crispy on the outside, and it was so quick and easy to make. I did take a video on the chicken, so stay tuned to my channel. I'm actually going to post that video shortly, and you will see how easy it is to make a chicken in the Ninja Foodi. Thank you for tuning in today. Please hit the subscribe button to see some of my future videos. Hitting subscribe really does help my channel. I appreciate everyone tuning in, and I really appreciate all of your support. Thanks so much, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.